Hi everyone, Ian from DIY Home and Gardening. Just going to have a go at another little project which is going to involve this old hoe and a load of wood. So turn the camera around as always and have a little look. Right, okay, so my plan involves that old hoe that I found over the allotment on one of the disused plots. So involves that, some decking boards which I'm going to use as some sort of frame, and a load of Christmas tree pallet wood. And basically I'm thinking of making a Christmas tree. So yeah, let's have a little look. So really what I'm planning is to cut some of the sections of decking board down and make a base in which to hold this, and I'm going to use these, well, if I can get them out, probably that. Let's have a look. Whole piece saw. Oh yeah, that'll do. It's got a crack in it, should be alright, but basically use that to drill a hole through the timber to allow me to support that. That's the plan. I guess we'll have a try and see. So I cut first 3 planks that form the top and a couple of side sections to be able to screw these down. So that'd be my next job, is just to run 2 screws per section, hold it down into there, have a quick measure, and then build a or cut one of those offcuts to fill that gap. So let's get that done. Okay, so that's the box made. Mark your hole, or mark your point I should say, for where you're going to be drilling the hole. So that wants to be in the centre. Got my bit, and literally, let's try and do it one-handed. It fits in, so you got your driver. No, there. So that'd be your pilot bit there. That goes on and just screws in, and then that will go into the chuck end of the drill. So let's get that drilled. Right, that's the setup there. There, there's a hole in the middle, and hopefully, well, not hopefully, it definitely will accommodate that. Let's have a go. Okay, so it's gone in the base, and the only slight annoyance is the fact that because the shaft tapers, it's a bit of slack. So all I'm going to do, I think I'll cut this bit of board into half, drill a couple of holes, exactly the same, couple of holes, which will then take it up high enough so that it's then holding this top piece in as I want it to, so it's going to stand upright as opposed to on the wonk as it is. So yeah, I'll quickly get that done. So first collar, yeah, so that go on, going to screw that down, and then I'll get the second one that way to match. Let's get that done. Right, okay, so I'm pretty happy with that. I mean, there's a little bit of play in it, but not too much. So now next sections to do, it's basically cutting down the timber. So if you've just got pallet wood, use that. And all I'm going to do is cut some lengths to form essentially the Christmas tree shape. So starting off wider at the base, and then as we go up, then they'll be tapered to look more like a Christmas tree. So you could either cut a load of lengths all the same size, drill the holes using that through the middle so that the pole will fit through the middle, and then cut them with I don't know, jigsaw, skill saw, or hand saw to make your triangle shape, or cut them as you go. So I think I'll probably cut them as I go, just because it will use less wood. So let's get moving on. So I just thought I'd show you my very slow progression. So that's the first slat on. Cut that at 36 inches. Normally I'd go metric, but actually for this I thought inches was probably going to be easier. And then for each one of the next pieces, I've just literally dropped down by 1 inch. And then that way it should be relatively easy to then work out where the middle is. So yeah, I'm up to, or down to 21 inches. So this piece is down to 20 inches, and basically just keep going until, well, till I get to kind of thickness of that, whatever that is. So better keep cutting. And finally, I've cut my last piece to make the tree. I'm now going to cut a few 3-inch sections, which I've decided I'm going to put on first, just to raise it up, act as a bit of a tree trunk, if you like. And now begins the rather laborious task of measuring the middles and drilling. So let's get them done. Well, that's the start, first one on. So just all of those now to mark and drill. So I've got plenty of little nuggets, which must mean that I've done a load of drilling. There we are, all the way up. Still got a bit of the handle, not sure what to do with that. Might just cut it off, but that's the tree so far. Okay, and that is me being a little bit fancier. So tops come off, literally just turning on the angle, each one slightly balanced on top of the other, just to give it a bit more stability. Yeah, and then just need to get it outside and put some lights on it. Job done. Okay, well, that is this Christmas's project done. A little Christmas tree made out of essentially pallet wood, and well, a couple of offcuts of decking, but it's all waste wood, so nothing bolt. Relatively easy, well, yeah, pretty easy to make. Just takes a little bit of thinking about and a little bit of time, I guess. Well, when I say a little bit of time, I've just had a look at a clock to double check, and I'm on 1 hour and 20 minutes. So yeah, 1 hour and 20 minutes to build that. But yeah, it's a little project done, and it's something that you can't just go to the shops and buy. So yeah, it's something a little bit different. But yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the video. You know, it's say a seasonal Christmas type video in well, as Christmas as you're going to get from me anyway. So yeah, I hope you liked it. If you got any questions, as always, send them over to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. If you do like what I'm doing, then please subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on future videos I'm doing. Always say it, but have fun, enjoy what you're doing, enjoy trying out some new things, having a little project on the go, whether that's a bit of DIY, being creative, or, you know, things like the growing the squash or the chrysanthemums, you know, gardening type things. But just make the most of your time, have fun, and as always, take care of yourselves, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now.